Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel and moving on straight away towards our lesson. Today we are going to solve some questions from the chapter Rational Numbers. So watch this video till the end. So our first question is using appropriate properties find this. So by applying properties we are going to find the value of this. Properties we mean the associative property, distributive property and commutative property. And if you have not watched my video on integers, there I have explained about associative, distributive and commutative property. So click on the I button above and watch it. So now first what we have to do is we have to exchange the direction. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So here is one number, here is one number where the into sign is there. This number is regarded as 1, this one and the last one. So let's write this one first. Minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. Now let us write this number minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. Then this one in the last by plus 5 by 2. And this is by the commutative property where a plus b equals to b plus a. We'll just exchange the direction. So here you don't forget to write by commutativity. Now what we have to do is we'll write minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. We'll take this minus as common here and put this 3 by 5 in the bracket. 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. Here we have applied one property, the commutative property. Now this is one number, this is another number and this is another number. So in these two numbers we are having 3 by 5 in common. So we'll take 3 by 5 in common. So what remains is here we have minus, don't forget to see the sign, minus 2 by 3 and here we have minus 1 by 6 and here plus 5 by 2. This is by applying the distributive property where a you take this as a into b minus a into c equals to a into b minus c. A into b minus a into c equals to a into b minus c. So this is in this way a into b minus c. So we'll write here by distributivity, that is by applying the distributive property. So finally we'll solve this now. We have applied two properties, commutative and distributive. So here in these two numbers we'll take the LCM of 3 and 6. So it will be 6. So first what we have to do is 3 will divide this 6 by 3. So what gets is 3 2 is 6 and 2 into this 2 4 minus 4. Keep this sign also into 6 into 1 is 6 and 1 into 1 is 1 plus 5 by 2 equals to 3 by 5 into minus 4 and minus 1 is minus and minus is plus. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and the sign is minus by 6 plus It is 5 by 2. So here see 3 by 5 into 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2 equals to 3 into 5 is 15 and the sign is plus into minus is minus. 5 into 6 is 30 plus 5 by 2. So here 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30 equals to minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2 equals to LCM is 2. It is minus 1 plus 5 equals to 5 minus 1 is 4 by 2. So 2 twos are 4 equals to 2 is the answer. I hope this is clear to you. In the same way, we are going to solve another one. In the same way, we have to find this one. So by applying the properties, we have to find this one, like distributive property, commutative and associative property. So let us write 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. This is one number, this is one number and this is one number. Where the multiplication is in between two numbers, this is regarded as one number, this is one number and this is another. So let us do this one. We'll exchange the direction. 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7. We'll write this one here plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Again this one will take in this side 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So in the same way like the first one, we'll write here by commutativity. Now 2 by 5 into 3 by 7, here also we have 2 by 5. So from these two numbers we are going to write a common 2 by 5 and it is like A into B plus A into C. So here we have minus 3 by 7 plus, if we have taken common here, then what is left? 1 by 14. Then this will remain as it is, 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Here we will write by distributivity. Two by 5 into, we'll take LCM as 14. So 7 into how much is 14? 7 2s are 14. Again with this 2 we'll multiply this 3. 2 3s are 6. And don't forget to write the sign. Plus 14 into 1s are 14. 1 1s are 1. Minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Here we have 2 by 5 into 6 minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5, minus into plus is minus by 14 minus this one will see 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So it is 1 by 2 2s are 4. 2 by 5 into minus 5 by 14 minus 1 by 4. So 5 and 5, 2 7s are equals to, it is minus 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4 equals to, we'll take the LCM of 7 and 4. It is 7 4s are 28. 7 into how much is 28? 7 4. So 4 into 1 is 4. The sign is minus. 4 into how much is 28? 4 7s are 28. 7 into 1 is 7 equals to minus, and minus is plus, so 7 plus 4 is 11, and the sign is minus because the greater number is 7, so it is minus. So it is minus 11 by 28 is the answer. The second question is write the additive inverse of the following. In my video on integers, I have explained the additive inverse, so please watch my video on integers. So 2 by 8 is, it's very simple. We'll write just opposite of this. 2 by 8 will be minus 2 by 8. It is the additive inverse. 5 by 9 is 5 minus 5 by 9 will be 5 by 9. Here it is a little different. Minus 6 by minus 5 is, we'll cut this to 6 by 5, and after putting minus in this, it will be minus 6 by 5. 2 by 9 will also be 2 by minus 9 will also be 2 by 9, and 19 by 6 will be, it will be the opposite sign, 19 by 6. 19 by minus 6 will be 19 by 6. So you make sure if it is 2 minus, then first you solve for this, after that you put minus in this number. So now let's move on to the third question. So the third question is verify that minus of minus x equals to x for these numbers. We'll put x equals to 11 by 15 and x equals to minus 13 by 17 in here. So minus of minus x equals to minus of, in place of x we will write first this one 11 by 15, and minus is plus, so it is 11 by 15. So we have proved that minus of minus x equals to x. Same way we'll do for this. Minus of minus x equals to minus of minus x is minus 13 by 17 equals to minus of minus and minus is plus 13 by 17 equals to minus 13 by 17. So minus of minus x is x. Now let's do question number 4. So the last question is the find the multiplicative inverse of the following. In case of additive inverse, we are just exchanging the sign, like plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Here multiply will become divide and divide will become multiply. So minus 13 will become minus 1 by 13. This one will become minus 19 by 13. And this is, first we'll solve for this. 5 3s are 15. Minus and minus is plus. 8 7s are 56. So the answer is 56 by 15. And for this it is minus 1 equals to minus 1 by 1 equals to minus 1. So I hope all this is clear to you. Hey viewers, thanks for watching my video till the end, and if you like my explanation in this video, then don't forget to like and comment down below. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Maths Tutorial for more updates.